everybody, and welcome back to MarTech Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about auditing your tech stack. So as you can see, marketing software, sales software is growing incredibly since, we had in 2011, we had 150 softwares in the MarTech landscape. And today we have more than 7,000, and probably in 2020, it's going to be way more than that. New software is being created every day for marketing and sales organizations. So how do you, first of all, choose software? And then once you chose software, because every company is using multiple pieces of software to do marketing, sales, customer service, HR, and all that stuff, how do you choose what you're going to use, and how do you choose the best software? Well, every time we get a new customer, what we do is we do an audit. We do a MarTech audit to understand how people are using software, what kind of software they're using, what are they paying for it, and maybe find some savings in the meantime. A couple of examples: we have talked to people that have HubSpot Pro and Infusion software, and they're running their website and blog on HubSpot and their emails in Infusionsoft, or they have MailChimp with their database, and their database is also in their CRM in HubSpot. So all those situations make no sense. First of all, because you're copying data, you have multiple databases, which makes a big mess. You want to try to avoid having multiple databases and have one database with everything. And for example, embrace a platform like the HubSpot platform, like we do. We have HubSpot in the middle with the CRM, and then we have a lot of different software that actually adds functionality. So we believe in the platform, but then we add Wistia, 7sense, Databox, InCycle, all these different functionalities, all these different pieces of software add functionality to the HubSpot platform, and it allows us to provide more value. But at the same time, we're not creating multiple databases with data, which could bring privacy issues, security issues, and many other problems. So we usually recommend doing a full audit on everything that's happening. We'll go through that in a second. One of the things I recommend is every year there's the marketing stackies. It's a tech stack award run by Chief MarTech and the MarTech conference. What they do is they allow companies to provide their tech stack. We actually did that, our stacky last year. This is our stacky for 2019. It was a great exercise to go through this. First of all, we had to list all the software we were using, and then why we were using it and for what we were using it for. So as you can see, we separated it into stages in the marketing journey. We separated between management, attracting, converting, engaging, and analyzing marketing efforts. Of course, you also have the whole sales side of things and even more. So this is a great exercise. I definitely recommend people to check this out. A lot of different companies from all different industries, not just marketing agencies. For example, last year's winner, one of them was Airstream, create their stackies, and it's very interesting to see how other companies analyze and use their tech stack. Now, what we recommend doing when you start working with an agency, or if you're reviewing your tech stack right now because you don't even know what's going on, is to create a spreadsheet. This is super basic. What we did is we put together a list of all the different functionalities for marketing and sales efforts that we're doing. And then we listed the software that we use for each one of those things. Then we listed the plan that we have for those, the monthly cost, which team is actually using this, and then we rate them from 1 to 10. That gives us an average rate, which gives us an idea if people are using the software that we have or the software that our customers have. And then we can add notes on, this team uses that, or this is integrated into that other tool. One of the many benefits of doing this is, first of all, understanding if you have duplicates. That happens all the time. It's amazing how sometimes sales teams and marketing teams have different tools that do exactly the same thing, or they're using this for chat and this for email, but everything could be done inside HubSpot, or not, because it's not for that team. It's not good for that team. So One thing that we always recommend, again, is going through every single one of them, talking to your different teams, marketing, sales, customer service, HR, and doing a full audit, and then finding opportunities. I can assure you, you're going to find savings, first of all, which is money you can put back into your marketing efforts, creating more video, running more PPC campaigns, ads, whatever it is that you need. But also, you will find opportunities to simplify. The idea is to find what is the goal of that tool. What are you going to do with that tool? Why did you get it in the first place? Are you actually using this piece of software? And then try to simplify your MarTech. As much as we love software and we embrace software, we also understand that having too many layers that are disconnected actually make things worse. So embracing a platform is definitely a way to simplify this. So you have a main database with everything connected, but also auditing your software is crucial. This should be something that we do every year. It's almost the end of the year. So what a better time to actually go through your marketing software, sales software, customer service software, do a full audit, understand how you're using it, how much you're using it, and then decide if you're going to be having savings, if you can consolidate, or maybe you're in the wrong plan. Sometimes that happens. People are paying enterprise or pro and they need a different level of software. So go out there, audit your software, talk to other teams, and try to consolidate for 2020 to start with a better tech stack in 2020. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye.